Here is 3 easy tips to leverage your social media to generate more business in 2022. What's going on, you guys? My name is Jeffrey Luna with eXp Realty, and in this channel, I help realtors grow and scale their businesses using unique marketing strategies. If you guys find this content valuable, please hit that like and subscribe button as it helps my channel grow. Hopefully you guys know by now that video is very important in the real estate industry. But now it has become a crucial part of growing our businesses and closing more deals. The real estate business is a contact sport, and the more contacts you can make, the more business you can do. And that's why social media is so powerful, because it allows you to get in front of more people. My first tip for you guys is utilizing a link service called Linktree for your social media. I think this is very important because you are only allowed to use one link to post on your profile. So using a service like Linktree will allow you to have more options for the customer and funnel them down in the right direction instead of just sending them directly to your website. Linktree is free, but also has a paid version which allows you to add more customizations to your page. My second tip for you guys is utilizing Canva. I can't say enough about Canva. It has been a complete game changer for me and is super easy to use to make consistent content. And I think it's super overlooked about Canva is its content planner, which allows you to schedule posts so you can preset it throughout the week, because I know what you're gonna say, Jeff, I don't have time to post. So now with Canva, you do. My third tip for you guys is using Google Forms. I think Google Forms are awesome for creating an easy path for the customer to give you their information while allowing you to pre-qualify them and asking the right questions within the form. Google Forms are free, you guys, and it is a great tool that you can use to add links within the link tree I was talking about earlier. You guys, these are 3 easy things that you can do to leverage your social media to not just be a Homes magazine, but to also start to generate leads. You guys, it is vital that you start putting yourselves out there as much as you can, because the more people you can get in front of that can be potential customers, the better your business is going to do. I have done so much more video and has led me to land some pretty big transactions that I never thought were actually possible. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Jeffrey Luna. Please like and subscribe and smash that notification button. Please comment below if you have any questions at all. I'll see you on the next video.